For today's video, I'm going to show you on how I'm going to put an eyeshadow using this amazing makeup set. So we have different colors of eyeshadow in here, and we also have a makeup brush set. Just a disclaimer, I'm not really an expert, but I'm just gonna show you on how I do my simple makeup when I go outside. By the way, our eyeshadows has a total of 18 amazing colors. For today, I just want to look natural, so I'm just gonna use this nude eyeshadow. This is called Arouse. I think I'm using here a wrong brush, but it's okay. Of course, just simply brush it and blend it. Just do the same on your other eye, so just need to brush it and blend it. So this time, let's just gonna use another brush in here and let's add another color of eyeshadow. So I'm using this color. This is called Hard. It has glitters on it, so this is white and grayish. And I blend it with this one. This is called Flower Power. It also has glitters. So just simply brush and blend it on the other side of your eye. I don't know bakit hindi siya masyadong kita dito sa video, but sa personal, in fairness, ang ganda ng shades na to. Pagdating sa eyeshadow, ay mahilig talaga akong maglagay ng glitters. Kasi, ewan ko, parang nagsigla tingnan yung mata mo pag may glitters ka. So, i-blend mo lang ng i-blend hanggang pantay na yung dalawang mata mo. Hindi naman talaga siya mahirap gawin. Ang key to success lang talaga nito ay i-blend mo lang talaga siya ng maayos. So, as you can see, pantay na siya mga sis, at saka natural looking lang talaga. So, this time, lagyan naman natin to ng konting blush tong cheeks natin. So, yes, I am just using the same brush. So, same lang din ang gawin mo dito. I-blend mo lang talaga siya ng maayos para magpantay yung dalawang cheeks mo. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo. This is my final look. I'm so sorry it is not perfect, but okay na to sa akin. By the way, if you wanted to try this makeup set, available to sa Yellow Basket. Go check it out.